Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable customers activity notifications on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, going to click on You, found at the middle. Then next we're going to click on Settings on the top right corner. So now you're going to click on Notifications. Then once you scroll downwards, you're going to click on Edit. So as you can see, customers activity is turned off. So we're going to turn it on. So from now on, you're going to receive notifications about your customers activity. For example, if they added an object to their cart, you're going to be notified. So that's how you do it. It's an easy process. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.